Hello students, let's study about the variation. In this video we have studied about inverse variation. Inverse variation means in Marathi व्यस्त चलन. The statement x is inversely proportional to y can also be expressed as there is inverse variation in x and y. If x and y are in inverse proportion, then x multiply y is constant. Assuming the constant to be k, it is easy to solve a problem. If x varies inversely as y, then x multiplied by y is constant. X inversely varies as y is written as x proportional 1 upon y. If x proportional 1 upon y, then x is equal to k upon y, where k is a constant, or x multiplied by y is equal to k, means x multiplied by y is a constant. This is the equation of variation, is the constant of k is the constant of variation. X multiplied by y is equal to k is the equation of variation, and k is constant of variation. Practice set 7.2. The information about number of workers and number of days to complete a work is given in the following table. Complete the table. Here number of workers and number of days are given. Suppose number of workers are n and number of days are d. Here whether the variation is direct, first we decide whether the variation is direct or inverse. For direct variation, n upon d, this ratio is constant. For direct variation, n upon d, this ratio is constant. Then n upon d is equal to, first n is 30 and d is 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, means n upon d is 15 upon 3, or 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, means 5 is to 1. Second, n upon d is 20 upon 9, 20 upon 9, means 20 is to 9, 20 आणि 9 ला डिवाइड होत नाही, म्हणजे 20 is to 9. The ratio n upon d is not constant. That means the given variation is not direct variation. Then it is not direct variation. For inverse variation, n multiplied by d should be constant. If n multiplied by d is constant, then it is inverse variation. N is 30 multiplied by d is 6 is equal to 600, 6 3s are 18, 180. Second, n is 20 multiplied by d is 9, 20 9s are 180. Means n multiplied by d is constant. Therefore, the given variation is inverse variation. Therefore, n proportional 1 upon d means n is equal to k upon d, or n multiplied by d is equal to k means constant, is the equation of variation. N multiplied by d is equal to k is the equation of variation, where k is the constant of variation. Then first example, n is 30 and d is 6. Put this value in this equation of variation. N is 30 multiplied by d is 6 is equal to k. 600, 6 3s are 18, means value of k is 180. Now substitute this value of 180 and solve the examples. K is equal to 180. Therefore, in this example, D is 12. Equation of variation is ND is equal to K. N into D is 12 is equal to 180. Means N is equal to 180 upon 12. 12 1 is 12. Remaining 6. 12 5 is 60. Means here value is 15. N is 15 and D is 12. Next, N is 10. Then we have to calculate D. Means 10 multiplied by D is equal to value of K is 180. Therefore, D is equal to 180 upon 10. 0 0 cancel, means value of D is 18. Third example, D is 36. Then we have to calculate the value of N. N into 36 is equal to 180. Means N is equal to 180 upon 36. 18 1 is 18. 18 0 0. 18 2 is 36. 2 upon 10. 10 upon 2. And 10 upon 2 means 2 5 is 10. Value of N is 5. Here answer is 5. Next example. Find constant of variation and write equation of variation for every example given below. First example, P proportional 1 upon Q. If P is equal to 15, then Q is equal to 4. Therefore, P is equal to K upon Q. Value of P is 15. 15 is equal to K upon value of Q is 4. 15 4 is 60. Therefore, K is equal to 15 4 is 60. Second example, Z is equal to K upon W. Value of Z is 2.5 is equal to K upon W. Value of W is 24. Means K is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 24 is equal to 25 4 is 100. Carry 10. 25 2 is 50 plus 10 60. Here point, means value of K is 60. Equation of variation. P is equal to K upon Q, means PQ is equal to constant, and value of constant is 60. Means first equation of variation is PQ is equal to 60, and here ZW is equal to 60. PQ is equal to 60 and ZW is also 60. Third example, the boxes are to be filled with apples in a heap. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? Let the number of apples be X. The number of apples be X and the boxes needed to fill them be Y. Let the number of apples be X and the boxes needed to fill them be Y. More the number of apples in a box, less in the number of boxes required to fill them. पहा इथं काय सांगितलं आहे, 24 ॲपल्स आर पुट इन अ बॉक्स. 24 ॲपल्स ठेवले तर 27 बॉक्स लागतात. इफ 36 ॲपल्स आर फिल्ड इन अ बॉक्स, एका बॉक्समध्ये जर 36 ॲपल्स ठेवले म्हणजे जास्त ठेवले तर आपोआपच बॉक्सेस काय होतील, कमी लागतील. मीन्स मोर द नंबर ऑफ ॲपल्स इन अ बॉक्स लेस इज द नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस रिक्वायर्ड टू fill them. This is a case of inverse variation. Therefore, x proportional 1 upon y or x is equal to k upon y, or xy is equal to k is the equation of variation. When x is equal to 24, then y is equal to 27. Put the value of x and y. 24 multiply by 27 is equal to k. Now multiply these two. Multiplication of 24 into 27 is k is equal to 648, means value of k is 648. Substituting x is equal to 36, here given if 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed, means substituting x is equal to 36. Therefore 36 multiplied by y is equal to, value of k is 648. Therefore y is equal to 648 upon 36. Now divide 36 into 648. Therefore y is equal to 18, means 18 boxes will be needed, is your final answer. Fourth example, write the following statements using symbol of variation. First example, the wavelength of sound L and its frequency F are in inverse variation. Means L is inversely proportional to F or directly proportional to 1 upon F. Second, the intensity I of light varies inversely with the square of the distance d of a screen from the lamp. Means I is inversely proportional to 1 upon d square. Next question, if x proportional 1 upon square root of y and when x is equal to 40, y is equal to 16. If x is equal to 10, find the value of y. Here x is inversely proportional to square root of y, means x is equal to k upon root y, means x into root y is equal to k. Substitute the values of x and y. X is 40 into square root of y, y is 16, is equal to k. Square root of 16 is 4, 4 4 is 16, means value of k is 160. Therefore equation of variation is x root y is equal to 160. Substitute the value of x is equal to 10, therefore 10 into root y is equal to 160. Therefore root y is equal to 116 upon 10. Here 0 cancel. Root y is equal to 16, means y is equal to 16 square, squaring on both sides. दोन्ही बाजूचा काय केला, वर्ग केला. Therefore y is equal to 16 square is equal to square of 16 is 256. Question number 6. X varies inversely as y. When x is equal to 15, then y is equal to 10. If x is equal to 20, then y is equal to, we have to calculate the value of y. X varies inversely as y, means x is inversely proportional to y. Therefore, x is equal to k upon y. X into y is equal to k. Substitute the values of x and y. If x is 15, then y is 10 is equal to k. 15 tens are 150, therefore k is equal to 150. Equation of variation is xy is equal to k, therefore xy is equal to, substitute the value of k is 150. Here given x is equal to 20, substitute this value of x, 20 multiply by y is equal to 150. Therefore, y is equal to 150 upon 20. 0, 0 cancel. 15 upon 2, and 15 upon 2 means 2 7s are 14, remaining 1 point, 2 5s are 10, means value of y is 7.5. Like and share this video. Thank you.